Threading a Singer Touch and Sew 750. The spool pin up here is a thread guide on top of the fashion disc, flexi disc cover. It's got the reverse tensioner, so there's a finger under there. Thread goes under the finger, over the top of the tensioner. Behind this spring, under this thread guide, and then through the take-up arm, thread guide on the front of the machine, thread guide on the needle bar, and then there is a needle threader built in, and that needle threader requires putting the presser foot down, and then it slips over and in, and you can hook the thread through the needle threading hook, and it draws the thread out through from front to back, and then the needle threader folds back into the door. Okay, threading a bobbin on the 750 Touch and Sew. Pop a bobbin in our bobbin case, put the finger down. To engage the bobbin winder for this machine, you slip this lever over, raise our presser foot, wrap the thread around the screw, and straight stitch and it picks up the thread, and then after a turn or two it cuts the tail off, and wraps the thread, and then when you're done you need to push the plate forward, and so it popped the shifter back in to disengage the winding, and now it's ready to sew. Inserting a bobbin and removing the bobbin case on the 750. There's the big finger here on the bobbin case that holds the bobbin in, and then to remove the bobbin case on the Touch and Sew 750, there's this tab, and you lift gently on that tab and slide this off to the side, and we need our needle plate out of the way. The bobbin case rotates gently and then lifts out. To reinsert the bobbin case when you're done cleaning under it, turn it gently to the side and then rotate it into place and push this tab back over, and that tab holds it in place for sewing. Okay, time to do a little tour of the 750 here. It's got quite a few built-in stitches, but this pattern selector doesn't just turn, you have to push in, and then it rotates to select your various stitches. And it also has removable cams that are in the top. This one has the stretch zigzag kind of feather pattern in it, and I didn't get a set of cams with it, so it's not getting anything else. But yeah, the important fact being that you have to push the button in to get the selector to turn. And then it's got, for the straight stitch here, it's got a left, a center, and a right needle position, and then the stitch width on here, and it's marked in red for zigzag and the stitch disc. And then there's also a mix selection on the mode selector here, and I don't know what that's for, whether that's intentionally for some of the special pattern discs or what. And then over down here it's got the buttonholing feature, and that rotates one way, 1, 2, and off. And then it's got the stitch length here with the buttonhole feature here with the length of the buttonhole, and then it goes all the way around to the fashion disc, and then back into the regular range, and a reverse button in the middle. So I'm gonna finish the stitch test on this, and then I guess this machine is ready to go too.